Hello everyone, welcome to another session. Today I have a small but very useful video on the topic that how you can download some specific files from a Git repository. Nowadays, either you are a software engineer or a network administrator or even a DevOps engineer, you uses Git in the form of GitLab or GitHub or any other version controlling software. And there are cases that you want to download some specific files, but normally the traditional way is to copy paste them manually. But today we're going to learn how you can use wget to save your time and effort. My name is Usman Ahmed and I work in Grafana Labs as a senior developer advocate, and feel free to connect with me. I leave my social accounts in the video description below. So let's get started. So why we want to use wget command? What is the use case? So as we spoke earlier that you want to download maybe a single file or few multiple files, and you can do the copy paste or you can do copy paste for multiple files as well. But this process is not very clean, and it could also create a lot of mistake while copy pasting or uh, problems such as indentation and so on. And let's take a look how we do the traditional way. So let's get to the demo. So I have this Kubernetes GitHub repo open on my browser, and let's say that I need one file which is in the builds folder, and let's say this file could be dependencies.yaml. It could be any file, not just for YAML. It could be that I may not have a shell script file or some Go file, whatever. But as a for demo, let's say that I do not have this file. And if I click this file, it is a pretty big file, okay? And I do not have it for my project because I need it to make to build my own Kubernetes or whatever distribution which I'm working. And the normal way which we do is that we Control A, Control C, and then I will create a file dependencies.yaml, okay? And here I will paste it. And now all my code is pasted. If I view it, yeah, I can see that everything is there, but it takes time. I have to manually copy paste it. There could be a problem while I select all of the code. Maybe I missed something, or in some cases there are some problem while I paste some indentation problem. If I'm using maybe some other word editor other than VI normally detects these things good, but could be that it also miss. So there are many areas where it can go wrong. And now what I will show you that how you can do the same thing via wget command without any manual steps. So what I will do, I will just remove this file, okay? And if I go here, I I have the same file open and I click raw. And then I have this URL here. I will copy this URL, type the wget command and paste the URL here. And there you go. The file is now downloaded. And if I view this file again, I have the same content without any manual copy pasting, without any indentation problems, and so on. It is directly coming from the server without any manual steps. So this is really useful. And this is where wget stand out very well than what we do normally. Advantages. So yeah, with wget, you can download the files automatically via command line. There is no manual copy paste. You can avoid the common mistake, which is code indentation in YAML, JSON, even in some scripts as well. And you can use this also in scripts. What does this mean? That if you are maybe using some fancy or complex script, for example, you need for your Docker file, and you can put wget path in there, which can pull the file from directly from the server, and you get all the data without doing the copy paste manually or defining some other process. Just single one command. Same for bash script, and more powerful way is to use wget in the CI/CD pipeline if you want to pull scripts or data from other areas of the file which are located in different servers. So yeah, in short, wget saves your time, and I hope that this video is really helpful for all of you. Let me know your thoughts in comments. I'm looking forward to it, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.